Hey, welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Panasonic 5-disc DVD player, and this specific model is very unique. I'll get into that in a moment. Before we do that, quick fun fact for you. Do you know the movie WALL-E? Well, the character WALL-E was actually named after Walter Elias Disney. Since his middle initial was E, they just came up with the name WALL-E. But now that you know that, let's get into this. The model number of it is DVD-CV35. And the reason this one is special is because it's a lot slimmer than most models. Most models go out this far, so you can fit it into a smaller shelf space. But let's talk about the rear panel. It's pretty basic. You've got an optical digital audio output, analog audio output, and then composite and S-video. So let's get it plugged in and playing. We're gonna connect it using the composite cable. All you have to do is match up the yellow cable, and then we'll plug in the audio cable. Then once you've got all that set up, you should get a signal to your TV just fine. So we'll go ahead and insert a DVD. And then first, this is what the original remote for it looks like. You can see all the buttons on it there. You've got your disc select buttons, disc skip button, your standard functions at the top, and then you can adjust the play mode. And then on the front panel here, you've got your power button, your disc select buttons, open and close button, and then stop, pause, and play buttons. Then you've also got VSS, cinema, and then you've got your skip backward, skip forward, and fast rewind and fast forward buttons. But that's pretty much all there is for this device. If you want to order one, you can get it on our online store, or you can give us a call.